How to navigate with FreeNow's built-in Google Maps. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to navigate with FreeNow's built-in Google Maps, here's what you need to do. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have already downloaded and installed the FreeNow application, and simply open it. And once you open the application, just make sure you have already logged into your account as well. And now simply enter the destination either by searching or selecting it on the map, and just choose the right option, which will activate the navigation feature. FreeNow will automatically launch the Google Maps with your destination pre-populated. So Google Maps will display several routes options, so select your preferred route. And once you start navigation, just initiate the navigation by tapping the start button and follow the voice or visual directions provided by the Google Maps to reach your destination. To stop your navigation, just tap the close button. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.